Coway Aquamega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aquamega 200C provides clean, crisp water at your fingertips for the health of your family. The direct water system provides an endless supply of clean, pure water and can also dispense large volumes at once. The unit stores 0.36 gallons of cool water, available at any time for optimal convenience. The Coway Aquamega 200C uses a two-step filtration system, which provides performance and cleanliness and is certified by the WQA. The filter system is composed of a sediment filter and powerful carbon block filter that removes sediment and harmful contaminants, providing your family with clean water and peace of mind. Additionally, filter changes are indicated with an automatic smart filter change indicator on the front of the panel, and changing the filters is an easy, intuitive process. Replacing your Coway Aquamega 200C filters is quick and simple. Coway Aquamega 200C is a smart system that pairs with your mobile devices. You can check the usage of the purifier and check the filter change status through the Coway IoCare app. Coway Aquamega 200C's compact and sleek design ensures the purifier is space efficient and can be installed anywhere in the kitchen. The touch display makes for easy product interaction, providing the right serving size with a single touch. The design can also accommodate larger containers like water bottles. Coway Aquamega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aquamega.